I made a computer in Scratch. Yes, Scratch. In this video, I'm going to explain how my computer works and how I made it in literal Scratch. So, first, to understand how my computer works. A computer consists of three components: input, output, and the processor. The input can contain the keyboard, the camera, or the mouse. They send a binary value. Then comes the processor. The processor in my computer consists of two components. First, the CPU, which tells the computer what to do. Then the graphics card, which tells what to display on the screen. Now the further question is that how does the CPU work? We need to understand bits and binary. Bit stands for a number like 1 or 0. Binary stands for the computer language of 1 and 0. My computer works by taking an 8-bit instruction and dividing it into opticode and address. The opticode is the action and the address is the extra information. My computer reads the RAM. My RAM contains some code to read the basics, some code to store temporary values, and the last three are for graphics. And I got a separate list for coding, the OS list. But because of Scratch's limits, it's not that fast. Look at this rendering a line. This took a whole minute, so I'm going to leave it for now. So check out the project in the link in the description below. So, well, subscribe.